Welcome to DS Trucks. There's the wife's truck, there's my truck. But today, I'm gonna be driving this. Gotta go pick up Old Green and take care of a little project. Anyway, see you guys once we get to Old Green. Alright, here picking up Old Green and getting ready to head over and do some bush trimming, but gonna shoot back to the house and pick up some equipment. Alright, got everything loaded up in Old Green. Got gas here because I gotta fill these gas cans with 2-stroke. And pretty much everything is either gas powered, battery powered, a lot of battery powered stuff. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Old truck with an 8-foot bed is something good for earning some revenue. So anyway, see you guys at the job site. Alright, here on site and in Old Green doing some billing. The lawn guys are working on all these houses here. I think they got like a bunch of houses to do. Maybe it's not really 40, it is really like 25, 26 houses for them to do. And hopefully when they finish, they can help me because I'm going to be here trimming all day. But I'll try to show you guys what I'm working on here. But this is just me. Still mobile office in Old Green. Like I say, I was thinking about putting a big power inverter right there. Just put it right on the glove box, on the outside of the glove box. I think that would be kind of cool. Maybe here in the center, I don't know. But that would be the next step, the next mod for Old Green. And a lot of guys have said just keep the truck, so I might as well just keep the truck. So I need to do a tune-up, fuel filter, stuff like that, plugs, fuel filter, basic stuff. But anyway, see you guys at the next scene. Alright, so here's the task at hand. I'm going to put on the podcast and go ahead and crank this out. Alright, and that is the final product. Just finished trimming everything. Took all day. Alright, next scene. Alright, and back home, all unloaded with the old truck. And time to go and throw the bike inside the trailer, or inside the bed. And head over to storage where we keep the truck. Look at all the kid toys. Head over to storage where we keep the truck, park it, and then shoot back home. See you guys once we get to storage. Alright guys, and that is it for the video. Just got the truck parked and gonna ride my bike home. Got the bike over here, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and see you in the next video. Over and out.